I used to buy her gifts, I used to buy her clothes, and even pay her rent. That girl was the devil, bro. I don't wanna lie. Yazi mfethu lo muntu uyakhona ukuthi aphike into ne, aphike like into une-proof wena. Angithi ngiyalapha endlini lapha erumini. Brayami. It was something else. Ngiyavula so thola hayi man. Phela kushaya umoya la. I felt like I was dreaming, Brian. So endlini akuna next. Indlu ishaya umoya. Akuna fokol. Like ngizibuza ukuthi and then because bongathi like ngisema movie wava ne everything Brian, everything. Yabona empty room. She left room empty, nothing. Wahamba nempahla zami. Everything, bra. Everything. Property yonke yavaya.
Brother Sandile,
What's man?
how's it going, man?
Nah, I'm nice, man. How's it?
Good, man. Tell me about yourself, man. Where you from?
Okay, firstly, my name is Sandile Vundla, born and raised in Tembisa. Yeah, I'm basically from Tembisa. I'm 25 years of age. Yeah. So I do music, hip hop music, emotional rap. Yeah.
So what do you mean that you are an emotional rapper?
I think I can say I'm an emotional person.
Oh.
So yeah, I do emotional music because I think a lot of people like they do relate to emotional things.
Why are you emotional? Is it some stuff that happened in your life before that led to you having to take a paper and write everything?
Yeah, I think that's the other case. Because another thing, I don't have friends, like angisumuntu abangani. So I can't vent. So I use that opportunity to make songs so that I can vent. Cause like I don't wanna be judged, bro. Like I don't wanna, cause as men, like we don't like venting. So in a way, it's like I don't wanna be judged. If maybe I'm gonna tell you something, then you're gonna judge me. So it's better if you hear it through a song. Then I won't be there. You can leave a review maybe somewhere else, but I won't be there to listen to your negativity and stuff.
Yeah.
So the minute I vent on a song, I feel like, it's now done.
Yeah. Tell me about yourself, man. You said you grew up in Tembisa. How was it like growing in Tembisa, basically?
Growing up, like khulele kasi, it's nothing much, bro. Like ngikhuliswe uma nobaba, and my siblings, my older brother, my sister, then it's me, then there's my younger brother. Yeah. Then ukukhula kwami ngikhule ngiyintwana egrand. I used to love school a lot and I was bright at school, yabo. Being intwana egrand kakhulu emamelayo endlini nasesigela, I'm disciplined. Ngine-discipline ngimnandi.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Somebody would look at you like, this one was a trouble boy. That's what
I can say.
Is it?
Yeah,
I'm sure you get that a lot, hey?
Yeah, I do.
Did you also want to be a rapper when you were still young?
Nah. I just wanted to be a pilot, but it
Life.
didn't happen. Yeah, it's life. Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted to be a pilot. Yeah.
Yeah. What made you to want to be a pilot?
I don't know. I think maybe it's because I used to want to fly one day, and I was like, no, let me not fly once. Let me drive. Let me just fly it.
Yeah. You had ambition, man, when you were young, eh?
Yeah, I did, man.
Do you think you still have the same energy and ambition even now?
Yeah, I do. And for the fact that I'm putting much work on what I do now, I've got a lot of ambition, and I think it's gonna happen.
Yeah. Something happened to you, man, and we actually, as we are going into the story of why you're here, a lot of us, we find ourselves dating women, and without even being aware of what that person is, because we are sort of like deceived by how the person looks.
Exactly.
Especially as man, you would see a very beautiful woman, but you wouldn't know that that woman can literally destroy your life.
Exactly.
But something happened to you. What happened to you?
Oh, something tragic, bro. Okay, so I met this other lady. It was last year because we dated for a year and 2 months, I think. Yeah. So ngathi mangihlangana naye, it was funny because ngahlangana naye beka walk, I understand. Then ngamlandela, I asked for her number. She told me ukuthi she doesn't have a phone. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna give you my phone. Then Mina, I have got this number. So I'm gonna call you using my small phone, pop-up, yabo. Then like it was a joke. Then she gave me her number. And it was hot that day. Then ngambuza ngathi uyaphi. Athi I'm going that side. Bekaya ngase Shoprite kahle kahle.
Okay.
Yabo.
Where's this? Tembisa?
Yeah, in Tembisa, yeah. Then bokudlula enye local like imoto. Then I stopped that car ukuthi azini asigibele. Mind you, I wasn't going that direction. For the fact ukuthi wangichaza lo girl, so I wanted to see her.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ngangena eTaxini ngathi asambe, I'm gonna take you there. I paid. We went there. Like samba siyaxoxa kumnandi everything, and yo, I was charmed, bro. I was charmed. Beautiful face. Okay, siyahamba siyaxoxa, ngiyambuza ngithi uyaphi, uthi angi-Shoprite, I wanna buy some stuff. Ngithi okay, manje wahamba ngenyawo, uthi anginamali. Imali engiyiphethile ukuthi ngithenge this stuff engiyolanda lapha e-Shoprite, then going back home. Then I'm like, okay, athi wena uyaphi? Then I lied to her. Ngathi no, I'm also going the same route, but I was lying.
Yeah.
Yabo. Okay, sharp. Sihambe. Afike e-Shoprite kuqala, ayehle yena kuqala. Yabo. Makayehle. So now I have to make my way back home. Ukuthi ngibele emuva. Ngabele eTaxini. Taxi yaqhubeka yahamba. Ngathi mase ngifike phambili, ngayehla futhi phambili le. Then ngabamba enye itaxi ngabele emuva. Because I wasn't going that direction.
Yeah.
Ngiye lapha because of yena. Yabo. Okay, cool. Fast forward that. We started chatting on WhatsApp, sifonelana. Then ngacela ukuthi ngimmeet, yabo, another day. Then wavuma, then we met. Sa connect kahle sa bonda, yabo. Okay, sharp. Masibonda kanjalo, sikhulume like ngimfunda ukuthi umuntu onjani, nami angifunda ukuthi umuntu onjani, yabo. Okay, sharp. We started dating last year. It was around August. Then kuthi makunjalo, we started dating. Bruh, everything was lavish, top tier. Because I felt like, yeah, angisho yazi like in fact mawuqala ukudate like new love ukuthi njani. Oh, I was insanely in love, bro. And ngithe mangihlangana naye, I was from a relationship bengekho grand, so I was not okay. I was heartbroken. So when she came into my life, I was like, nah, I think this is the one. She went to me like the last one, yabo. Everything was nice, flowing nicely. Okay.
What do you mean when you're saying everything was flowing nicely? Were you taking her out, buying her gifts, flowers, giving her money,
Yeah, everything like was perfect, bro. Everything was perfect. Being in Beja, that was the thing that I never did before in my past relationships, yabo.
Yeah.
Like I was so focused, which as in I wanna focus on my dreams and I wanna save money. I used to save a lot of money, bro. Then uthi makabuya kimi, I was doing izinto bengazenzi, and till today I'm still regretting that thing because ingibuyisele emuva kakhulu because I was doing a lot of things as it means which abe happy. Yabona mfethu, when they say love is blind,
yeah,
it's true, bro. Like I was like bengivaleka amehlo. I couldn't see ukuthi yazini manje ngenza into ezi wrong. It's because like I wanted to make her happy. I wanted to see her happy. It's not like Gucci bengenzela yena. Nami bengijuthi as in this is the best thing that I could do for her, yabo. And bengabona ukuthi this thing engiyenza engibuyisele emuva. I used to buy her gifts, I used to buy her clothes and even pay her rent.
Wait.
Yabo.
So you used to pay her rent?
I did. Because ngithe mangiqala ukuhlangana naye bekasebenza.
Yeah.
Mina I was renting a back room. She was also renting a back room lapha ngihlala khona. Yabo. So okay, data, everything is nice, everything is perfect, like I'm saying.
Sorry, I just want to understand. So you used to pay her rent.
Yeah.
Is this girl from Joburg or maybe she came to Joburg for work?
No, like she was. Let me say she was, because I never heard of her from that. I don't know where she is. She was from KZN.
Okay.
Yeah, then she came here in Joburg. Then she found umsebenzi. Then warrant. Back room. Ngithe mangihlangana naye mina bekahlala ayi-1 nami ngihlala ngi-1. Then bengim-assista nge-rent, yabo. Then it happened ukuthi uzophelelwa umsebenzi. Makaphelelwa umsebenzi, angisho yena uhlala le nami ngihlala le. Then makaphelelwa umsebenzi, so kumele ukuthi kube i-responsibility yami ukuthi I have to take care of her. Because mfethu bengimenzela everything, ngimbhayela impahla, yena ngesikhathi asasebenza, not ukuthi baby ngizama ukuthi ngimenze ukuthi kube umuntu omubi. Like she used to buy me things, mara not the way I used to do for her. Yabo, she used to like angithengele maybe iskipa, yabo, something nje small nje, but I was happy ukuthi yeah, neskipa, yabo. Then I used to buy her ama-gift. See, a Mall of Africa. I used to love that mall, bro. See, a Mall of Africa, see a cinema, and we do things. Yabo, si shop. And inhliziyo yami sasebuhlungu ngeli khona linye jesi ngamthengela lona, bro. Like we went.
Hey, amajesi, ne?
Le jesi ngalithenga.
Amajesi, yo, the story. I feel like there's a lot of guys out there. They've lost jackets, hoodies, all because of ladies.
Yo, bro.
Yeah.
Sithe masifika lapha Mall of Africa. Like sihamba like sokubheka. Futhi nakhona bengithe ngicela ukuthi angikhaphe.
Yeah.
I wanted to buy only iskipa esi1 esami phela. I didn't have money, ne? I think bengine 700 in my account, 700 only. Then bengifuna ukuthi ngithenga iskipa kuphela, and I was like, no babe, ngicela ukuthi ungikhaphe sekuphi Mall of Africa. Ngithenga iskipa kuphela. Then so what now ngizokuthengela in, maybe uzofika nje ukuthi ufuna in now, maybe skipa or something just small. Avume girl, sihambe siye Mall of Africa. Masifika lapha ngene thenga iskipa. Ngiphume. Then
Bro, what t-shirt are you buying? 700?
No, into engisho ukuthi in my account I had only 700 and I wanted to buy only one t-shirt. Yeah, in Mr. Price.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got you. Because I thought you're going to buy a 700 t-shirt.
Nah.
So I was like,
that
yo,
guy.
bro, you have money. Hey?
No, I'm not that guy.
Yeah.
Okay. Masifika lapha ngithenga iskipa vele, then ngithi okay, asambe siyodla. Then before eating, athi uqala like sambe singena ama shop, like we have to do window shopping and stuff. I didn't have a problem with that. Sahamba sangena ama shop, senze window shopping. Then sathi masifika kwenye shop sangena lapha. Le shop yabiza yabiza le shop le. Sangena, and she was like, yo, this hoodie, yo, nice. Ngimbona ukuthi hayi man, lo muntu wa azo actor so. Maybe she want me to buy that for her. Yabo. Like akazange wangitshela like straightly ukuthi yazi ngicela ukuthi ungithengele into le. Mara the way beka actor ngikho ngibonga ukuthi yazi lo muntu uyayifuna. Leya hoodie leya. And I was like, you want it? And she was like, yeah, I do. That's okay, ithathe. She took it. Like, to be honest, bro, I wasn't okay. Ukuthi yo. Yabo? Okay, ngithenge.
How much was it?
It was 800. It was 800, ne? Ngithenge, I didn't have enough cash. Right? Mangithenga so, I have to make a call. Call one of my brothers. Mfethu ngicela ukuthi ngigqalisele ngemali engaka. Ngiyashort, I want to do something here. Transfer at the same time. Amamele naye ukuthi like cause she knew ukuthi I didn't have enough money to afford that hoodie. Yabo? Imali ingene, thathe ijezi leyana, swipe ngithenga. She was happy, bro. She was happy. She gave me kisses khona lapha shop. Nami I was glad ukuthi yeah, happy. Nami ngihappy. For a moment, like I was sad ukuthi yo sengispend imali engaka ngejesi. Yabo, but I was like, ngithe mangibona happy, everything changed. That's why ngisho ukuthi yabona love is blind, bro. Like bengivalekile. Maseka happy nami ngihappy ukuthi she's glad, like happy lo muntu. Nami mangibona smile the way like bekangihaga ngakhona ngicabuze shop. And I was like, no, it's money, ngizosebenza yenye futhi. Okay, sharp, siphume lapho. Sivaye. I was broke then. Sibele semateksini, yabo. Sivaye sendlini. Bogi Saturday. Sivaye sendlini. Mina, bro, I used to spend a lot of time nalo girl loyo. Yabo. Abantu bese bangikhuluma kabi bathi ngidlisiwe and stuff because babona the way esengispenda ngakhona isikhathi nalo girl loya. Yabo. Mina and benganandaba yazi ukuthi they call me names ukuthi ngidlisiwe.
Bomthanda.
Oh, bra. Oh, abe ngimthanda kakhulu lo girl kakhulu. And nakhona ngathi mangibheka mina ngiwana. I used to think ukuthi siyathandana. Like I was positive about that ukuthi yazini. Nalo girl like siyathandana fucked up. Sorry for that language.
No stress.
Like bengisho ukuthi like lo girl yangithanda. Because izinto like bekazenza for mina. Masisonke Like I could feel ukuthi yazi nomuntu uyangithanda. But it changed after everything le ayenze mina. Yabo? I didn't know ukuthi like isikhathi sonke lesi like bekangikhohlisa or what was happening. You understand? Everything changed ekugcineni ukuthi hayi man. I thought ukuthi I was in love nalo muntu lona naye in love nami kanti I was the only one. Yabo? Okay, sharp. Fast forward that ugelo waphelelwa umsebenzi. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina bengihlala le naye hlala le. Ugelo waphelelwa umsebenzi. So makaphelelwa umsebenzi, I had to take irresponsibility yakhe kube yami because akasena income, akasena next. Yabo? So kumele ukuthi ngistep up for yena. Ngibhadale irent, ngenze in. Okay, sharp. I paid irent yakhe. Eyakhe irent boku 1.5 and then I was paying 1.2 la bangihlala khona. And futhi lapha kuye boku advantage because bokune parking lapha yani, bokune parking and then I used to pull up ngemoto lapha kwakhe and mangilala lapha imoto beyiba safe. Then la bangihlala khona mina bokuna parking. So so bokuzocost ukuthi ngicine sengilokhuza sengicela next door ukuthi ngicela bangiphakise and they used to charge me 50 rand a night.
Okay.
Yabo? Yeah. So ugeli ngimbhadalele i-rent for 2 months. For 2 months ne. Bengibhadala ngapha kuye ngibhadala nangapha kimi, ngithengele nokudla ngapha kimi. And it was a lot bra because benginama responsibilities with like I have to take care of my younger brother and all the stuff.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Sorry, you said you were paying her rent, also groceries as well.
Yeah.
Were you also paying for other things?
Yeah, for Wi-Fi. I-Wi-Fi yakhe ngibengibhadalela nayo because bekane Wi-Fi.
How much was it?
It was 600.
Okay.
Yeah. Then kuthi makunjalo ngimbhadalele irent, ngibhadala for 2 months. 2 months full. Then I saw bro ukuthi no man, this is too much for me. Sharp ngikhulume naye kahle. Yabo? Ngithi mfethu yazini. Ngicela ukuthi like sinze ka so man. Since wena ungena family la neGoli, ngicela ukuthi like sinze ka so because this thing is too much for me. Ngicela ukuthi like maybe sihlale sonke for isikhathinyana nje esincane until you get back on your feet. Ukuthi nawe sothola umsebenzi manje, like you can stand on your feet, like you can do your thing now. Uthola umsebenzi then you can split up. Mangabe ufuna ukuthi kube kanjalo. So like sizoyenza izinto ngani ngomthetho. Yabo? Because I don't want to lie. Okay, like yena bekangaholi sharp the way the time asasebenza yabo. Mina I was better than her financially. So ngibonga ukuthi hayazini ama cost like so too much kakhulu manje yabo. Ngakhuluma naye ngathi ngicela like maybe sihlale sonke for isikhashana then maso right uzo move out uyohlala endaweni yakho then senze izinto ngendlela yabo. Ngivele ekini ukulobola then ngakho like sihlale sonke.
Dude, you're even planning to marry this lady.
Bro, I was planning to pay lobola for her. I don't want to lie. And I told her, yabo. And kwafika isikhathi sokuthi okay, I want to pay lobola ne and le moto le bengithi benginokufika ngayo lapha kwakhe. It wasn't my car.
Okay.
Yeah. Bogi moto like yabangani. Yabo ukuthi okay, if maybe tomorrow kumele ukuthi ngimthathe like see out bengiboleka imoto from my friends then siyahamba because then ndaba zama Uber and stuff it was something else. Yabo. Okay, sharp. Ngicine kubi kanje. Okay, ugeli I was planning to lobola her ne and I wanted to buy a car on the other side.
So wait, so basically you had to choose between buying a car and loboling her.
Already I chose bengifuna ukuthi ngimlobole.
Okay.
But I wanted a car. But my priority bekusekuthi ngimlobole because bengimthanda but I'm kakhulu.
So you had to pause buying a car so that you can lobola this lady.
Because since like ngikula I always wanted to own a car one day. Yabo. So I had to put it aside ukuthi yazini imoto ethi ngiqale ngime ngaya kancane. Ngimlobole. Yabo.
Okay. How beautiful is this lady?
Like she wasn't that beautiful. Like even if you see her.
Bruh, let me see her picture. Let me see this lady. Do you have a picture?
No, I don't have a picture.
You had to delete everything.
Yeah. In order for me to move on. Because she unfriended me on her socials. But it's going to be easy to get her picture. But I don't want to go there again. So she wasn't beautiful, bro. Just that I want to like Motandu. You can see her now.
Yeah.
Bro, this is the chick that you did things for her. Like, why? How come? inhliziyo bra, inhliziyo mayithandile. This is a stupid organ. Yabo, heart, it's a stupid organ. Okay. Ugele ngikhulume naye ngitshele mfethu yazini mina ngifuna ukuthi ngikulobole, like I want you to be my wife. Because angisamboni umunye umuntu engizoba naye life yami. It's you phela. Like angazi mfethu bokungathi ngidlisiwe. Bongathi ngidlisiwe bra, I don't wanna lie. Okay, ugele ngikhulume naye ngithi yazini mfethu mina, like she knew ukuthi I wanted a car ne, because already bese ngiqalile vele ukuthi ngibudget, but bosokungilimaza ukuthi ngibhadala ama rent, ngithenga grocery ngapha nangapha. Okay, ngikhulume naye ugele ukuthi sihlale sonke for now ne, then sizothi nje maso right now uphume yofuna yakhe indawo futhi, then senze izinto ngendlela, ngilobole ngenze everything. Okay, ugele avume, but mina bengifuna ukuthi ugele asukele kwakhe azohlala ngapha kwami, yabo, because mina I had furniture, like everything, my room was full furniture, a grand brayam, yabo, furniture a grand, I had everything in my room, yabo. Okay, because nalapha beka nombed, like beka nento ezifew, umbheda, ifridge, i-TV beka ngenayo, beka ne cupboard nyana nje lezitsha, yabo, ne stove. Mina I had everything. So ugele ngakhuluma ngathi ngicela ukuthi wena uthathe into zakho ngapha, sizithathe sizifaka kuphi eroomini lami, ne, lezo nalezo nje ukuthi maso uphuma uzohamba nazo futhi, yabo. Ugele akazange avumelana nami, athi no, ngicela ukuthi like wena uze this side, you understand, plus bengisatha advantage ukuthi elami i-room it's much cheaper than lele lakhe leliya. Athi no, ngicela ukuthi wena wenze ini, sithathe zakhe izinto ngapha size nazo kuphi la engihlala khona, plus la ngihlala khona kunani, kune parking, yabo. And I was like, nah, she has got a point. Okay, ngavuma ngobulima bami, ngavuma, thatha everything, furniture yami, everything, ngamove out ngaya le kuyi, sahlala sonke. Okay, I was working ne, okay, angisebenza kanje ngisebenze, and I'm still doing izinto for yena, ngimkhipha out bra, like yabona, every Saturday it was a party for us, yabo. Angazi lo muntu bekangiloyile, lento lezi bengakaze ngizenze komunye umuntu, bengakaze ngizenze, yabona. Ama ex wami, like before her,
yeah,
they would tell ukuthi, hey, this guy is stingy, because like I used to save, bro, I used to save. Then what's masokunayo life yami, I used to blow everything, yabo. Like every Saturday I have to do something for her, not ukuthi like sometimes uyangiforce or uyangitshela. I used to do like from my heart ukuthi yazini, okay, today is Friday, okay, kusasa sizoyenza so,
yeah,
ngithathe siye out or ngimthengela ama gift, yabo. I was wasting a lot of money. Okay, and ugele like bese ku comfort zone kahle, because I don't think ukuthi like she was looking for a job at that time, because yonke into bese ayithola nje, yabona, and sengihlala naye ngimenzela everything ayifunayo, everything, yabo. Everything brambe kathi uyayifuna bengimenzela without any hesitations, yabo.
yeah.
Okay, sharp. Ngelinye ilanga ngivaye emsebenzini, yabo. Mangibuya emsebenzini ngifika lapha ngiyangena endlini, like bekangijabulela vele mangibuya emsebenzini, ngathatha ibag ngisase eminyango, ngathatha ibag ngijabulele, ngifile man ukuthi yazini, this is love bra. Okay, sharp. Ngilanga ngingene lapha endlini ngihlale lapha, I was watching TV from work. It was during the week, yeah. Ngithola i-call from one of the guys, yabo, like bengimjwayele umjida leya. Athi kimi ukuphi, ngithi ngisendlini sengibuyele eSpaniya. Athi okay, ngifuna ukuthi uphume ngaphandle. Like ngiyazibuza ngiphume ngaphandle, because it never happened before ukuthi this guy angifonela athi ngiphume ngaphandle. Ay sharp, ngiphume vele, yabo. Mangifika lapha ngaphandle, she started questioning me about madam, yabo. Athi mfethu lo girl unjani, skhiphani, ithini into yenu. Cha mfethu, come on, lo mbuzo wakho ngibuza wona, skhiphani, uthini, yabo. Athi no man mfethu, ugirl ngathi angimtholi kahle mina, yabo. Mina amtholi kahle kanjani mfethu, because this is my maid. Uthini manje kimi mfethu. Athi no, ugirl lona mfethu sengimbone 3 times amenenye out ye-BM, evange BM. I think lo muntu uyakujolela. In my mind I'm like, no man, what if this guy is lying to me, yabo. Angisho yazi ama out kanjani, like afuna ukuthi anhlukanise, then yena uyangena. Then enye ingqondo engitshela ukuthi hayi maybe uringivare because there's no point ukuthi angishashaye. Okay, uyangishashaya then what? Ay, okay, sharp ngibuyele endlini. Like angazi ukuthi ngifile kanjani. Umjita ngiringena ngithi okay mfethu ngizoringa nawe umadam ngizwe ukuthi sikhiphani. Then athi ugayelo yami ngicela ukuthi like don't involve my name, like don't put my name there. Angifuni ukuthi kube ngathi yimi engimosha umuzi wakho kanjani. Ay, sharp awuthi ngivaye ngendlini. Bangifika lapha ngiringa naye baby kanti ngicela ukubuza something man. Sikhiphani ngizwa bathi ama BM in. Oh. Umuntu wangibheka mfethu. Yazi like that girl was the devil, bro, I don't wanna lie. Yazi mfethu lo muntu uyakhona ukuthi aphike into ne, aphike like into une proof wena. Aphike so. Athi angazi next atele into withi in. Ngimbuze aphike vele. Uthi yena akazi next into zama BM nani akajoli, she's always at home. Like siqala nje ukuthi kuyafana uma ungifonela uyangithola, video call what manje usemsebenzini uyangithola ukazi la ukuthi ukuthi angazi nga-answer khona ifoni yakho yabo. Ay, okay sharp. Since now I was in love yabo ngathi bamsukela yabo. Ay, ngikudlulisa lokho. Then ngivaye eSpanini futhi ngelinye ilanga. Yabo, mangibuya eSpanini prayami njengoba ngisho ukuthi bengithi mangifika eminyango bekathatha ibag yami ngisasemnyango yabo. So that day ngiyafika because ilanga lakhona futhi mangeSpanini ekseni mfethu beka sweet kakhulu. In a way yokuthi like no man ngiyazibuza nami ukuthi kahle isikhiphani yabo. Mara into yakhona ngizangaza ngithatha like in a way yokuthi man there's something suspicious yabo.
Yeah.
Ngivaye ngeSpanini mangibuye eSpanini yeah, it was something else bro. Ngiyafika lapha ejaridini ngiyangena lapha ejaridini yabo. Mangena and futhi nakhona angijump next. I was pressed ukuthi ngifuna i-toilet yabo. Ngithatha ibag yami ngishiya kuphi emnyango like iroom lapha sesihlala khona bukuseduze nase toilet, outside toilet. Okay, ngiphonsele ibag yami lapha emnyango ngiyadlula. Ifasitela lami lingale kwakhona ngase side nase toilet mara emuva ngale. Ngiyadlula fike ngishaya 69 ngihlale phansi futhi. Keep ifoni yami yabona like most toilet ecala like ya WhatsApp. Ay. Mangisuka lapha brami ngendlini ngihlangana nenye out lapha ngaphandle. Sicoca athi hayi seyishayile ngithi ayishayile. Ngibuyile eSpanini. Bangithi ngiyalapha endlini lapha eroomini. Brayami. It was something else. Ngiyavula so thola man. Phela kushaya umoya la. I felt like I was dreaming Brayami. Ngithole endlini akuna next. Indlu ishaya umoya. Akuna fokol. Like ngizibuza ukuthi and then because bongathi like ngisema movie. Mangize endlini kushaya umoya kanjani? Like ngimile lapha eminyango. Ngithe 1 step 2 steps like endlini kushaya umoya kanjani? Why? Or maybe kunomuntu omuvile because it was towards iMantende. Or kunomuntu omuvile then yena washiftela kwelinye room. Yabo? Ngiphume ngaphandle ngiphethe ibag. Angisho ibag ibekishe eminyango. Ngiphethe ibag manje. Ngiphume ngaphandle. Ngime lapha eminyango. Like ngiyashake Braham so ngiyashake. Mangilapha ngaphandle ngibuza omunye usister ukuthi kanti ukuphi lo muntu engihlala naye la. Bathi hayi lo muntu uthe nina niyamuva nithole enye indawo kuphi. How? Siyamuva kanjani? Like lo sister like she was shocked ukuthi kwenzakala ini kanti. Lo muntu uthe niyamuva wena uthini? Ngithi mina ngibe emsebenzini angazi next indaba zokumuva. Uthe siyamuva siyaphi? Siya kwelinye room or siya kwenye indawo. Wathi lo muntu kufika i-truck lana yafika yalayisha yonke into uthi nina niya-relocate niya kwenye indawo. Yabo? Inhliziyo yami beyibhlungu Bram kakhulu. Beyibhlungu kakhulu inhliziyo yami. To the point ukuthi okay bengazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakala ini. I thought maybe it was a prank or it's something else. Yabo? Because bengacabanga ukuthi angayenza into efana naleyo. Okay, kuthi kunjalo ingqondo yami like isahlangahlangene ne. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ngiyenzeni? Ngiyephi? Okay, ngakhipha ifoni yami, ngiyamfonela. Mangizama ukufona, ifoni ayingeni. Yabo? Ifoni ayingeni. Okay, sharp, ifoni ayingeni. WhatsApp, no profile picture. No profile picture. Ngiblokhiwe. Okay, ngisend i-message. And I tried ukwenza ama-WhatsApp call. Awangeni, nothing, one tick. Then ngiyabona ukuthi okay, sharp. Shoot la ngiblokhiwe la. Then I went to i-landlord. Yabo? Ngamlanda ngamtshela ukuthi sengine-problem lana. Ngibuye emsebenzini and lo muntu ake wavala everything prime, everything. Yabona empty room. She left i-room empty, nothing. Wahamba nempahla zami. Everything, bra. Everything. Property yonke yavaya. Then ngathi mangikhuluma ne-landlord ngamtshela ngathi sengivelelwe into efana nalena ukuthi lo muntu like bathi uhambile and mina I don't know. Athi ya lo muntu uzile lana azongitshela ukuthi nina niyamove. Same story lengizwa ngalo sisiya wathi nina niyamove like mina ngathi ay okay sharp. Yabo? Bathi wahamba ngetruck. Ukuthi siyamove siyapi akazange waze washo. Kanti she was running away from me. Athatha into zami wahamba. Yabo? Then angizange aze ngamthola lapho ukuthi ukuphi kanjani I don't know. Then bengimthengele enye iphone, it was iPhone X. Yabo?
Brother.
And Brian,
sure. How much was that? 6,000, I'm sure.
I bought it 5.5.
Okay.
Yeah, 5.5 from omunye umjita nakhona bengimazi. Yeah. Umjita khona bengimazi. So it was a second hand mara beyisase grand. Yeah. So she was using iCloud yami. Yabo? Ngahamba ngaya kuphi police station ngiyovula icase ukuthi ngilahlekelwe iphone. I told them everything ukuthi ifoni yami lahleke so ngifuna ukuthi ngicheck lo muntu lo ngithole ini ifoni yami ngithole ukuthi ahlahle ukuphi so that like she can give me my things back. Yabo? I've got a case number even namanje. Sadly I didn't get help from amaphoyisa. They kept on saying no, okay, we're gonna like sizoyilocate ifone sibone ukuthi kuphi and stuff, then we're gonna call you. Then banginikeza ama-phone number waka detective lo beka in charge of i-case yami. Then we talked, angifonela sihlangana athi kimi no, if you're gonna find something, maybe information, you have to share it with me. Then okay, cool. Then email address yami even today bro, it's still reporting ukuthi you have to upgrade your iCloud storage whatever. Yabo, like iCloud storage yakho like full, so you have to upgrade it and ngithumele message efonini yami le ngisebenza manje kuma emails.
When was that?
Even today.
No, brother, you know what we can do?
Yeah.
You can log on using a computer and go to find my phone.
I think I also tried that and it showed ukuthi it's offline. The last time I did try, it was last month, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Then I was like, okay, sharp, it's fine. Then indaba yakhona ngaphumuke kanjalo like bengithi mangitexta udetective. Any news, are you winning or what? Yabo? Because into nje bese ngifuna ukuthi ngimthole lo muntu lona anginikeze into zami back. Yabo? Then ngimbuza nokuthi why ayenze into efana nalena. Yabo? Because ngaluza into eziningi kakhulu Brian.
Just a quick one. Did she have friends at a place where you guys were staying at? The ones that maybe you can ask where she's at by any chance, or maybe some guys or colleagues by any chance, or family at some point? Even though I know she came from KZN, but surely you can't go to a place without knowing people.
Yeah. So into eyenzakala khona ugirl beka close kunaye beka close to her. Then khona elinye ilanga bekamfuna efonini yakhe then bekangamtholi. Then she like amanamba wami bekanawo bekathole through yena. Then she had to call madam wami efonini yami. Then amanamba wakhe ngawasave lapho ukuthi nami ngabe ngiyamfuna because bukwenza sometimes angimthole efonini then ngifonele that girl ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ucheck umuntu so umtshele ukuthi ngifuna into so yabona. Then lo girl ya I don't know ukuthi mfethu kwenzakale kanjani. I think it was a miracle or it was something else yabo. Lo girl wangifonela Nakangifonela so angitshela athi mfethu yazini I know ukuthi uvelelwe i-situation eso. Lo muntu lo vele like she has been planning to leave you. Wangitshela so like efonini. Yabo. Mfethu yazi ngispende isikhathi eside ngilala ngi1 phansi endlini ku-empty. Lucky enough uhambe i-rent futhi lapha beyibhadaliwe. Then she left, ne? Bengihlala ngi1 endlini ku-empty. Angina next. Le mpahla bengizigcokile ngiya emsebenzini yizo bengisele nazo nebhathu yona le A1. Yiyo bengisele nayo kuphela nebag yami nescarftin kuphela. Yabo. So, and it was hard ukuthi ngilanda abantu ngibatshele ngesituation yami ukuthi ngifile isituation so bengi-acta tough. Then I was carrying a smiley face, but deep inside I was dying, bro. I don't wanna lie. I was dying. Then abantu like lucky enough ukuthi like it was towards i-month end.
Yeah.
So ngahola ngathenga ezinye impahla ukuthi like nami ngajumpisa ukuthi like I'm wearing the same clothes every day. Uyabo? It was hard, Brian. It was hard. Then from lapho angaze ngazwa from yena ngathi bangimshika kuma social media. I'm unfriended, I'm blocked. I don't know ukuthi ngizomthola kanjani lo muntu lona.
Have you tried using other people's account maybe to try locate her?
I did. She blocks. The minute I found out ukuthi it's me. Uyayiblock le number leyo. Ngazama ukuthi ngimfonele ngikhulume naye kahle ukuthi yazi mfethu ukhuluma noSandile. Why did you do all the drop? Yabo. So
it doesn't make sense because I understand if maybe she wanted to leave, she can leave. Like you can't force a person to stay.
Yeah.
But at least she must give you your things back.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, like, dude, you can't take people's stuff. Even if maybe, I think it was going to be better if she left and she took her stuff and left your stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was going to be better. And say, look, Sandile, I don't want to do this anymore. And I couldn't face you and tell you that I can't be with you anymore. So I'm just leaving you this note. I'm bouncing. I'm out. But why take everything?
Bro. Because, like, ayikho mfethu into engazange ngamenzela lokho ayikho. Bro, like, I used to do everything. Nala ngibona khona ukuthi yazini mfethu this is useless. I said, can you please buy me this? Like, this is useless. Okay, sharp, I'm gonna buy it. Keep mali ngiyathenga. Like, ayikho mfethu into bengamenzela yona lokho lo. Ayikho.
Do you think she's in Joburg?
Yeah, she might be in Joburg. I don't know. Because benginalento leyo ukuthi yazini intaba yizokuphela ezingahlangani but abantu bayahlangana and I'm like no man. Lo muntu angimtholi. Yabo. But it's fine man. I was hurt like bengekho mad at her ukuthi she took my things and stuff like I was hurt ukuthi out of abantu bonke yena. Like, how could she do such a thing? Like, afana naleyo kimi. Because lo muntu mfethu bengimthembile big time. Big time, bro. Like, big time. Bengibheja ngelife yami kulo muntu loya. Yabo. Like, sometimes it's not the things that they do to us, abantu ne. It's the things, it's the person oyenza lento leyo. Yabo. Kube bengenza omunye umuntu I was gonna be mad ukuthi azini lo muntu lo uyangijwayela wayezongenza so. But yenziwe umuntu like bengimthanda ngimthemba futhi kakhulu uyabo so iyo into engiphula inhliziyo kakhulu ukuthi out of abantu bonke like lo muntu bengisho ukuthi like ngizomlobola then this now kanjani because like we had future plans besipena okuningi kakhulu sithu mina naye then now this kanjani like bengifila ngathi like ngiyaphupha bram bengifila ngathi like it's a dream I couldn't believe like bengilala phansi no blankets no what yabona i-curtain bengibathi i-curtain mina ngibathi i-curtain bengilala phansi on the floor ngifaka ama-card box lapha endlini ngibathi i-curtain bengakhona ukuthi ngiye komunye umuntu ngimtshela ukuthi mfethu yazi ngine situation so I was like no I'm strong kuzodlula let me use this thing as a motivation so one day ngizoba grand yabo Like, oh, I wasn't okay, bro. I was going through it.
Hey, man,
I
I'm
wasn't
sorry,
okay.
man.
I was going through it, but I don't want to lie. So,
I'm sorry, man.
it's life, man. It's life.
You know, something like that happened to my dad just after he passed on. So my dad and my mom had separated,
Yeah.
and my dad had went back home. He left the house with the lady that he was staying with. And the day when he passed on, because of my mom and my dad had got married, but they were not lobola situation, you know.
Yeah.
So they told us to go to the house, and when we got there, we found the lady who was dating my dad, and the lady didn't want to open the house for us.
Yeah.
She came with cops. I think she paid the cops or something. The cops said, "Look, just allow the lady to take the stuff, then she can give you guys the keys." And it happened that, okay, cool, that's fine. The cops are here. These are law enforcement. We'll come back tomorrow. And the following day, when we came, we opened the house. The house was empty.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah. So the same day when the cops came, she came back later with a truck. I don't know how she took everything, but she took everything. I'm a TV, everything. So when we got in there, some of the things she actually worked with, she put them at the neighbors and said, "Look, I'm going to come back and take this and that," you know. And when we came through, the neighbors actually felt bad, and they had to confess and said some of the things she gave us, she wanted to take everything. And till this day, that lady, she's nowhere to be found. My only concern, bruh, is that, you know, sometimes people do things out of their own emotions. Like, you put yourself so much, but you're not aware that you're actually hurting the next person. And my dad's family, they were cursing her a lot, you know, to say she will never live long, you know. And I can imagine how your heart was, you know, when that lady, where she is, maybe she's busy dating the BMW guy, or maybe the BMW guy is a victim.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe she took the BMW, went to the traffic department, you know, saw the papers of the car, changed the name into her name and sold the car. You never know, bro. But we live among, you know, those kind of people. Not everybody that has a pretty face is having a pretty heart. That's why today you are saying that, you know, a heart can deceive you.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
So these things, they happen, my brother. There's a lot of people that you come back home and you open the room or you open the house.
It's empty.
It's empty. They took everything. It feels like you were dating a ghost, bro.
Because you don't see them after that.
Yeah, bro.
It's like they planned that.
Yeah.
For a very long time.
I hope that you get to forgive her, bro. And I hope that she gets to reach out to you and get to apologize and give you the stuff that belongs to you. If she wants to move on, she can move on. You can't force her to be with you.
Exactly, yeah.
I'm sure you already have a girlfriend now.
Yeah, I do, but it was very hard for me to move on, because I thought, maybe, what if this one,
you see, now
is gonna do the same thing? Yeah, so
and now it might change the way you treat the new lady now.
Exactly, it's a fact.
Yeah, because that scar, it really, my man, they hit you hard, bro.
Like, I don't wanna lie.
You understand?
I'm still going through it, but I'm trying by all means that I change.
Yeah.
So that, like, I can move on. Like, I have moved on.
Yeah.
But not fully. I still think of that. What if all these women or all these girls are the same?
Yeah.
So even the one that I have now, I'm like nyasaba.
Yeah, I understand.
To be fully in. Yeah. You understand? So
I understand.
It's really hard, bro. It's really hard.
You reap what you sow. If I treat you in a certain way, I'm sowing that. And then I'm going to reap something similar to that in the future. It may not come from you. It may come from the next person. Yeah. If I treat you bad, bruh, it's going to come back at me.
Karma never misses.
In the future, bruh.
Karma never misses.
You understand? So that's why it's very important that when you're wrong, you must always apologize.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Apologize, bruh. But I feel sorry, but just looking at you now, and I see how much this thing has impacted you. What I would advise is that try to heal, give it time.
Yeah.
Because this thing happened like when last year,
Yeah, last year.
you know. Yeah, we'll also find a way to, find my phone, because you did say that the phone is offline, but we'll find a way, man, so that you can just get your stuff back.
Ish.
Imagine if you trusted this person with a lot of money. Maybe you guys were saving like 200,000 rand.
Ish. Well,
You were planning to buy a house or
I'll
something.
be dead by now. Ish.
So yeah, but you'll be fine, man.
Ish.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, I will be fine, bro.
Yeah.
I will be fine. Just taking it a day at a time.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know one day I'm gonna be fine. It's not that like I'm mad at her. I'm not mad at her. It's fine. It's fine. It's life, bro. It's life.
Yeah.
You gamble, they gamble you. It's life.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just that like I'm disappointed in her.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I never got a chance to say this emehlweni wakhe. But one thing for sure, karma never misses, bro. Karma never misses. It's fine. You can do me dirty. Something is going to happen to you. Not that I'm cursing or what. If I wanted to do something traditionally or spiritual, I was going to do it, But I'm a Christian. Ne? I put it all in God's hands. It's fine. It's okay. I accept the lose. I took my L. It's fine. But one thing I can say, karma never misses. Karma never misses. Yeah, it's fine. I was love scammed. It's very painful, bro, because like I couldn't even eat. Fethu bengilala phansi, yabona on the floor. Imbatha i-curtain. Bro, like mina, I was giving myself life le engifuna ukuthi ngiyiphile, yabo? And sometimes mfethu mina, the time ngisadate naye, mina mfethu bengikhona ukuthi ngilale ngidle ikota, ne? Just so that I can save money.
Yeah.
Then at the end of the day, ngithola sengispenda le mali le bengithi ngiyisave to do something for my life.
Yeah.
Ngithola sengispenda kuye, ngimthengela ama-gifts and stuff. Then lento le ngiyirealize after sekahambile life nami ukuthi no man, yazi I was on the wrong way laphaya. I was on the wrong way because I used to starve. Ngilale ngidle ikota ne, ngiziphanishe bram. Then at the end of the day sengispenda le mali le engiziphanishe ngayo komunye umuntu. Just for ukuthi mina ngithathe le mali ya so that I can lift myself elifini yami. Or like kube ngithathe le mali ya ngiyazisola bra, ngiyazisola big time. But there's nothing I can do now. It's we learn and live. Yabo?
Yeah.
Akukho kunye. So
I'm sure somebody's gonna send this to her, and then she's gonna see how much she damaged you. Even though I know you're gonna be fine, you're gonna come back and be okay.
Yeah.
But she must be aware that she broke you, bro.
She did, bro. She did.
And you're not asking, for her to love you back. And
no.
You just want her to acknowledge how much she broke you.
Even the things that she took, is fine.
Yeah.
Ngikwazile ukuthi ngimanage ukuthi ngibe back on my feet. By manje ngiphethe ezinye izinto ezilive kabi. Yeah, now like I'm fine. Just that like that thing man inokubuya man ukuthi
it's trauma, bro.
Bro, it's trauma. Nalokuthi like bengimthanda lo muntu kakhulu. She left me just like that. Uyabo? Kanjalo nje kuphela. Nalokuthi like after aqeda ukungishiya ngistruggle kakhulu. Big time because angisana next. So now I have to start from zero. Yeah, but from zero. Like, bra, bengana next. Not even a spoon. Nothing. Just me and my bag. Epekini kuneskaftini. Phela. Yabo. Phela. And there's nowhere to go. Ukuthi ngizohamba ngiyokhalela ubani ngithi angisana next. Ngicela ukuthi ungithengele i-TV. I was using i-TV lenkulu. It was 40-inch. 40, yeah. Yahamba. Everything. Dishwasher, washing machine, zavaya. Just like that. Bengisebenzele kanzima Brian. Kanzima. Ngilala like ngingadlanga sometimes. Ngidle nje something silly. Ngizincishe mina. Which as in let me just save money. Ngithenga something.
Yeah.
Ngathenga kanti ngisebenzele umunye umuntu. Busy siyakhohlisana lapha mina ngithi ngizobudgeta ngimlobole. Kanti na she's planning to go. Yabo. So it was a shame, bro, on me. So that's when yabona into ezikanjalo. Like mina angisilo umuntu lokuthi mane I do vent. Yabo.
Yeah.
I can't. It's better if I'm venting into like to a stranger.
Yeah.
It's better. Because a stranger, like angeke ukwazi ukuthi ungijudge. Because I'm gonna tell you, and the more I'm telling you, the more like ngimove on khona. And mangizotshela umuntu engimaziyo, the next thing le ndaba ngizoyiza seyikhuluma umuntu.
Yeah, ekasi
yazi ukuthi unjani. Yabathi lo mbona so, abamenze so yabona. So I choose ukuthi ngihlale nenkinga yami like ingidle big time until ngiba grand.
Yeah, no, my brother, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your time. Yeah, it's sad what happened to you, and I really think that, take time, man. And I think that you're a man, you'll be strong,
Gonna be fine.
even though it's a skull, you were broken, but you come back and be able to love, this new lady fully, without you having to question so many things, sometimes it happens that we can be drunk in love without being aware. And those things, they happen. Spend so much money, you do so many things. That person is not even interested in you. So yeah, these things, they happen. And I'm sure, there are so many men out there, this thing happened to them as well.
It happens, yeah.
Yeah, but shout out to you for coming out and be able to speak about this.
Thank you for inviting me over, yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, thank you too, man.
Sure.